Welcome to Wimble Barn. This beautiful driveway leads up to the property and has a quadruple garage. The 3 front doors here you can see, and a side door, which is really a plant room for the air source heating and aircon unit for the swimming pool. There's also a really useful annex above, studio, extra space to utilise depending on your needs and wants. And this beautiful barn has been lived in by my clients for 38 years. They've extended and improved over that time to provide a very spacious, wonderfully presented 5-bedroom detached property. The real piece de resistance of this property is the stunning separate swimming pool building. Our clients have added in over the years a beautiful bespoke sociable area with a beautiful pool, with stunning views to the surrounding countryside, with changing facilities and toilet. A beautiful, stunning building, making the most of the views. This is the architecturally designed landing on the first floor of Wimble Barn. Beautiful light and open space. There's a first floor living room to make the best of the views towards Bodmin Moor and Dartmoor. It's a lovely rectangular room with 3 windows, making it light and airy. A really beautiful living space. And if you follow me through, there's access onto the balcony, both from here and the master bedroom. Again, you get beautiful views to the south, southeast and southwest towards both moors, and I think more importantly over your own land and ground, which are very well tended and kept and all have beautiful views. And then you come through into the master bedroom suite, which has got a top quality ensuite, a range of built-in wardrobes and a dressing area. A really fabulous, sumptuous master bedroom. Now you've seen the video of this beautiful property. If you'd like a viewing, please phone Webbers with Fine & Country on 01288 353 661. We look forward to hearing from you shortly.